Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show how to make these beautiful and elegant pearl bangles. I used pink and white pearls with silver bangles to create a fresh and stylish look. These bangles are perfect for festivals, weddings, and daily wear. So let's start. I had used green metal bangles, pink pearls, white pearls, transparent thread, needle, scissor, glue, and silver bangles. All these materials are easily available in craft stores. First, take the silver bangles and prepare the thread. Tie the thread securely to the bangles. Make sure the knot is tight so that pearls stay in place. Slowly wrap the thread around the bangles while adding pearls. Keep equal spacing to make the design neat and attractive. You can follow the same pattern all around the bangles. Take your time and adjust the pearls carefully. Once one side is complete, continue decorating the entire bangles. The silver base gives a nice contrast to pink and white pearls, making the design look elegant and festive. Repeat the same process for all the bangles. Now our pink white and pink white combination pearl bangles are ready. They are lightweight, stylish, and easy to make. You can wear them with traditional outfits like sari, lehenga, and salwar suits. You can also make them in different color combination to match your dress. I hope you enjoyed this DIY pearl bangles tutorial. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more easy and beautiful craft ideas. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next DIY video. Bye and take care.